When people hear AI in cars, they think of self-driving tech. But here's the real story. AI is revolutionizing everything behind the scenes. From how we charge EVs to how cars are repaired, inspected, and even manufactured, AI is quietly reshaping the entire industry. And guess what? It's not just Tesla or the big automakers leading the charge. Startups are making some of the biggest moves. Through our big data and AI-powered platform, we spotted 464 automotive AI startups before they hit the mainstream. In this video, we'll show you some of the most exciting ones, changing the way we drive, charge, repair, and even fly cars. And stick around, because at the end, we'll share the incredible story of a startup that went from delivering campus pizza to solving a $17 billion industry problem. Let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention: defective car parts. Sounds boring, right? But here's the thing. One tiny mistake can shut down an entire car factory. That's exactly what was happening at Toyota Indus in Pakistan. Toyota builds a car every 4 minutes. Would you trust a human to check thousands of tiny parts? That's why they turned to VisionRD's AI-powered inspection. Its high-speed AI cameras scan each part in real time, identifying even the smallest flaws before they reach final assembly. If something looks wrong, the system instantly flags it to fix it before assembly. As a result, now Toyota inspects cars 40 times faster, reducing defect rates and saving manufacturers millions in recalls. While Toyota is already using AI, the next startup uses AI to turn the sky into a highway. Most people think cargo delivery means trucks and planes. For years, FedEx, UPS, and DHL have dominated global shipping. But let's be honest, their model hasn't really changed in decades. But what if we skipped roads and airports completely? Meet Sortie Technology, an Italian startup developing autonomous cargo aircraft that fly at 1,000 kilometers per hour. That's 10 times faster than a truck. And it's not just speed, it's smarter. What sets them apart? With AI-powered flight control, no pilot is needed. Advanced avionics adapts routes in real time to avoid delays. AI stabilization keeps deliveries secure, even in harsh weather conditions. Experts predict aerial cargo will hit $48.5 billion by 2029. And cargo drones? They're leading the way. And if you're wondering what other game-changing AI startups are out there before they go mainstream, we've put together a free demo of our AI discovery platform, where our experts can help you identify the most relevant innovations for your business. The link is in the description. Now let's talk about AI-powered repair. Lane assist, automatic braking, self-parking. These safety features are great. But here's the catch. When a car gets repaired, all these systems need recalibration. And right now, it's a nightmare. ADAS sensor recalibration is slow, complicated, and expensive. Shops have to manually research settings, which delays repairs and increases costs for both businesses and customers. That's where RevvADAS comes in. AI scans the vehicle and instantly detects which ADAS systems need calibration. Then it generates calibration reports and connects directly with repair shop software. Faster repairs, lower costs, no human errors. This is the first AI-driven ADAS calibration tool that removes all the guesswork, making sensor recalibrations as easy as checking tire pressure. Now let's shift gears to AI-powered EV charging. Let's be real. Charging an EV can be a pain. Every station needs a different app, a separate membership, or manual payment. And for fleet operators, managing multiple EVs is a logistical headache. Enter JuiceServe, a US-based startup using AI-powered computer vision to make EV charging completely seamless. All you need to do is to pull up a JuiceServe charger. AI scans your license plate. Charging starts automatically. No apps, no swiping, no waiting. And payment? Done instantly. It's not just another payment system. It's a full-stack automation platform that makes charging effortless for both drivers and fleet managers. And now, let's talk about one of the most surprising startup success stories. This startup started as campus pizza delivery that solves now one of the biggest challenges in deep mining. While Silicon Valley obsesses over self-driving cars, a Canadian startup just cracked autonomy where it matters most, in places GPS can't reach. Meet LoopX, the AI that's navigating mining giants through literal darkness and turning industrial transport upside down. LoopX began as a University of Waterloo moonshot with a simple mission: faster, cheaper pizza delivery. The robots employed a unique wormhole navigation approach, pre-mapping optimal routes while dynamically sharing obstacles through edge computing. Using AI and 5G, LoopX's robots achieved 30-minute deliveries and slashed costs by 63%. But when mining giants saw their tech demo, everything changed. Today, the same AI that mapped snowy sidewalks on a university campus is guiding autonomous mining trucks through pitch-black tunnels. LoopX's journey proves that breakthrough solutions in one industry can completely transform another. The biggest question isn't where AI is now, it's where AI is heading. Don't let the AI revolution pass you by. Book a free demo of our AI-powered discovery platform, where our experts will guide you to the most relevant innovations tailored to your needs. Check the link below and get started today.